Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, after completing AC1 examination, today I am going to teach you Unit 9. Lesson name is Trees Are Our Friends. Children, in Unit 1 to Unit 8, we completed for our AC1 examination. Now, Unit 9 to Unit 16 for AC2 examination portions. So today I am going to teach you Unit 9 Trees Are Our Friends. I hope all of you submit your AC1 answer sheet to school. Those who didn't submit, send soon to school with by parents. So open your page number 57. Trees are our friends. I underline the words you have to underline in your textbook lesson. So let's get started. Raghav and Juvin lived near a forest. Every day after coming home from school, they would hurriedly finish eating their snacks, drink milk, and run to the woods nearby to play with their friends. They always had great fun and would always return home before dusk. One evening, when the boys were returning home after play, it suddenly darkened. The boys realized that they were lost in the woods. Fear gripped them as they knew that the forest was the home to many animals. Suddenly, Raghav had an idea. He told Zubin, "Let's climb one of the trees and spend the night there." Zubin agreed. They climbed a tall tree with low, thick branches and settled there. They hoped and prayed they would be safe. Soon both of them dozed off. Suddenly they were jolted out of their sleep by a loud noise. It was an hour past midnight. Voices of people, the noise of metals clashing and banging could be heard. "Hey Raghav, they have found us. I'm sure that's mom and dad with the police. Let's follow the sounds." So, children, in this page, the three paragraphs, now I will explain you. So, Raghav and Jubin lived in near forest. So, after coming home from school, they would hurriedly finish eating their snacks, drink milk, and run to the woods. Woods means in forest nearby to play with their friends. They used to play in forest with their friends. They always had great fun and would always return home before dusk. Before evening, they used to come back to home back. So one evening, what happened? When the boys were returning home after play, they lost their way how to come to home back because of darkened. It was became darkened. The boys realized that they were lost their woods. Fear gripped them as they knew that the forest was the home to many animals. So many animals home the forest. So you also know children for animals live in forest. So they also get scared about that one. Suddenly Raghav, one friend, he got an idea. What he was told Zubin, Zubin, let's climb the tree one night and spend here only today's night. Zubin also agreed. So they climbed a tree with low, thick branches and settled there. Thick branches are there, the tree, and they climbed there and they settled there only. And suddenly, in that time, they slept. Dozed off means they slept. After that, they heard one loud noise. It was an hour past midnight. So in that, mostly midnight, voices of people, some people voices. Their clashing and banging could be heard. They are clashing, they are making some sound, noise sound with different types of wh- whistles, and the sound it would be more clear. Hey Raghav, they have found us. Zubin is telling maybe his mom and dad with police they came to search, found them and they got it. Let's follow the sound. So they are start to follow the sound. Now children turn the page number 58. But to their astonishment, it was not their parents. They saw men with axes, saws, and other tools getting ready to cut the trees. They were arguing about which trees to cut. So that is not their parents. Most probably, some other people had came to with axes. Tools means axes, saws, and other tools. They used. They wanted to cut the trees, and which trees they have to cut first. They are arguing to each other. Raghav and Zubin loved trees and thought about their hours of play under the cool shade. They felt that cutting such lovely, useful trees was unkind and bad. So they came up with a plan. They decided to hide the tools quietly while the men were busy arguing. Come on, Zubin, you keep watch while I hide the tools, said Raghav. After completing the job, they climbed a nearby tree and watched the men. The men finally returned and searched for their tools but couldn't find them. Puzzled, the men marked the trees to be cut and left the place. They spoke about mysterious thieves in the forest. The leader then said, "Okay, let's go home tonight. But tomorrow we can come back. Now that we marked the trees, we can finish the job first." So, children, this, this, those who are came to cut the trees, Raghav and Zubin are following them. What happened? Raghav and Zubin loved the trees. Almost all children love the trees, children. You also maybe love your nearby surrounding, how many trees are there. So how to you prevent them to cut? See how Jubin, Raghav and Jubin protect their trees because they used to play under the cool shade. They left that cutting such lovely useful trees are unkind and bad. So we should not cut the tree. We have to save them. So they came up with a plan. They got a plan. They decided to hide the tools, which tools they used to cut the tree. They got plan to hide them. While the men were busy arguing, those people came to cut the tree. They are busy to arguing to each other. In that time, Raghav was telling, "Come on, Zubin, you keep watch while I hide the tools." He was hiding the tools and Zubin was keeping watch for that pupil. After completing the job means that work, what hiding the tools, they climbed the nearby the tree and watched the men. Again, they were watching what the men are doing. Finally, again they returned to the place, and they couldn't find their tools. They're puzzled. What happened there? We kept our tools where it was. They spoke about mysterious thieves in the forest. They are thinking some mysterious, strange thieves are in the forest. So okay, today we'll go tonight home back, and tomorrow again we'll come and we have to mark the trees which tree we have to cut tomorrow. So, like that only they marked some trees and went away back to their house. When they will come tomorrow, they can do their work very fast, finish the work very fast. So, next page, children, 59. Zubin and Raghav reached home early next morning and told their parents about the night's adventures. They called the neighbors and all of them decided to go to the woods that night and catch the culprits. As night fell, the men appeared with shining new tools. Just as they were about to begin their work, Raghav, Jubin, and the others surrounded them. You cannot cut these trees. One of the men spoke up. Who are you to say that? We earn money by selling these trees. Who will feed us and our families? Mr. Ram said, you want to cut down these trees under which our children play and we rest in the hot summer months. They nourish us with tasty fruits. They purify the air we breathe. They prevent soil from being washed away. They also provide homes for so many animals. Have you ever thought of all this? It is so easy to cut a tree, but do you know how long it takes for a tree to grow? Now, children Jubin and Raghav they reached early morning to home back, and they everything discussed about their parents what happened before night with them. They called neighbors also and they discussed with them what to do and how to catch the culprits. So next night again they watched to them when the people again came with new tools. Raghav, Jubin and others surrounded them and they told you cannot cut these trees. Means these people they should not cut the trees. One of men spoke. Who are you to say? One of that men, those who came, one of them, he was telling, who are you to tell like that? We earn money there. They used to sell these trees and they will get the money after they feed them and their family members also. But Mr. Ram, that means Raghav and Jumin village people, one person, Mr. Ram, he said, you want to cut down these trees. Under our children was playing and we are taking rest and summer season in the trees and they also nourish them with tasty food, fruits. They are purify air to breathe. How the trees are useful for us, they are explained one by one. They prevent soil being washed away. They also provide homes for so many animals. Have you ever thought of all this? So it is easy to cut a tree, but how it will take long time to grow to make a tree? Did you think that one? So turn the page, children, page number 60. The men hung their heads in shame and promised that they would never ever cut the trees and use them for selfish purposes. The people thanked the men for heeding their advice. They all returned home. Next afternoon, as usual after school, Raghav and Jubin rushed into the woods to play. They were taken aback by what they saw and stood rooted to the spot. The same men were there in the woods with spades in their hands near the marked trees. And guess what they were doing? Planting little saplings to grow many more trees. So the men are hang their head, they are bend their heads to get shame and promise themselves they would never ever never they cut the trees for their selfish purposes, their own purpose. They should not. They won't cut the tree next time. The people thank the men for heeding their advice. So those who are village people, they thank the men for listening what their advice given to them. They all returned home. So all are returned home back. Next afternoon, as usual, afternoon Raghav and Jubin rushed into the woods. Again they rushed into the woods to play. They were taken aback by what they saw and stood rooted to the spot. And they are shocked about that one. The same men, those who yesterday came to cut the trees, that men were there in the woods with spurs in their hands. Spurs means small trees near the marked trees, and guess what they were doing? Planting little sapling to grow many more trees, and they are again planting new small trees to grow many more trees. Okay, children, I hope you understand this story adapted from a story by a class 9 child, Sandhya. So, on class 9, the standard girl child, Sandhya, from there, that story is adapted. And children, you also, if you see any illegal mistake about any people, about to cut the trees, to spoil our nature things, the trees, anything else, you have to protect about that one. Don't accept and don't agree their mistakes. Okay. And next, the meanings are there. You have to read. And when I'll send the PDF for classwork, right? You have to learn the meaning from page number 60. New words I will send, and question answer also I will send you. In that question answer, A1, question number 1 to 7 are there, but question number 1 to 7 only. Question number 1 to 6 answers I will send you. Seventh one don't want. And remaining exercises I will send you for next PDF. I hope you are all understand. So bye children.